In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the annotation tool to zoom into an image. The workspace includes two images. One shows the plant stem and the other shows the plant's flower. Each image includes several annotations that display parts of the stem and flower. Click on the node annotation and then click on the pencil to edit it. Find an image or a video about the node part and the stem. I'm gonna use this one. Copy image address, go back to Project Pals, click inside the image placeholder, paste the URL and insert. And then now I have the option also to change the color of the annotation. So right now it's yellow, but I can use any color that's in here. I will leave it as yellow. And then right now it only displays the label, but if I turn this off, then you'll be able to see also an icon showing up here. I choose to only leave the label. I think that's enough. And then I'm going to press save. You can add an annotation to each of these stem and flower parts. To add more annotations, just click on the annotation tool, which is the second from the bottom. So if I click here, then it opens for me a new annotation, and then I can add something new. So let me just do this again. So now I can add a title, I can add an image here and a description of what part I'm focusing on. As I said before, you can change the color, and you can also decide whether you want to display only the label or you want to display also this icon that you see here. Divide the work with other team members. Each team member can create at least one or more annotations for the images on the workspace. As I said before, in order to learn more about how to do, if you are not sure about how to use the annotation tool, you can always go to the instructions box, and there is a link to how to use annotations, and you can always refresh your knowledge about it. Thank you, and I hope that this was helpful.